Hey everyone, welcome to this hands-on tutorial on EC2 Image Builder. In this session, we will create an EC2 Image Builder pipeline, configure a script to install Apache on the server, generate a custom AMI, launch an EC2 instance from the custom AMI. Let's get started. Step 1. Before setting up the pipeline, we need an IAM role that Image Builder will use. Navigate to IAM dashboard. Then roles. Click Create Role. Select EC2 as the trusted entity. We are going to attach the following policies. Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core. EC2 Instance Profile for Image Builder. EC2 Instance Profile for Image Builder ECR Container Builds. Give the role any name of your choosing. I will be calling mine My EC2 Builder Role. Click Create Role. Now our IAM role is ready. Step 2. We will create an EC2 Image Builder pipeline. Navigate to EC2 Image Builder. Search for EC2 Image Builder from the console home. Click Create Pipeline. Give the pipeline a name of your choice. I will be calling mine My Demo Pipeline. Set the pipeline to run manually. Next, we will create a new recipe. I will be using My Demo Recipe as my recipe name. I will be using Amazon Linux 2023 as the base image. Step 3. We'll create a build component. We'll call the component name Apache Component. You can use any name of your choosing. We'll set the version to 1.0.0. For compatible OS, let's select Amazon Linux 2023. Next, we'll add the script to install Apache. Then, click Create Component. Step 4. Now, let's configure the pipeline. Add the build component to the pipeline. Go back to EC2 Image Builder Pipeline. Select Add Build Component, then select Owned by Me. Choose the component you just created. Mine is Apache Component, and add it to the recipe. Now let's create infrastructure configuration. Give it a name of your choice. I will be calling mine My Demo Config. Select the IAM role we created earlier. In my case, it is My EC2 Builder role. Select the instance type of your choice. To remain in the free tier, I will be choosing T2 Micro. Let's configure our network settings. Select your VPC and subnet. Make sure it is a public subnet. Attach a security group allowing HTTP, port 80, and SSH. Port 22. Let's finalize and create the pipeline. Leave registration settings as default. Click Next to create the pipeline. Your EC2 Image Builder pipeline is now successfully created. Let's start the pipeline. Navigate to EC2 Image Builder. select your pipeline. That's my demo pipeline in my case. Click Run Pipeline. We'll monitor the build process. The pipeline will go through 7 steps. Wait for the build to complete. Let's verify the AMI creation. Go to EC2 dashboard, then AMIs. Confirm that the new AMI is available. Next, let's create an EC2 instance from the AMI. Go to EC2 dashboard, then AMIs. Select the newly created AMI. Click Launch Instance from AMI. Configure the instance. Give it a name of your choice. I will be using my demo server. Select T2 Micro instance type to remain in the free tier. For VPC and subnet, use the same as before. For security group configuration, open HTTP port 80 for Apache. Let's verify Apache installation. Copy the public IP address of the instance. Paste it into a web browser. You should see it works. Recap and next steps. In this tutorial, we created an IAM role for Image Builder, built an EC2 Image Builder pipeline, created a custom AMI with Apache pre-installed, launched an EC2 instance from the custom AMI. Now, every time we use this AMI, Apache will already be installed, saving us time. That's it for this session. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.